So this is a very unique Eurovan. It's a 1997 Eurovan Camper, and it has the Colorado camper van pop top, which was added a few years back. And what that does is it takes the place of the original pop top and luggage rack, and it's power. So one of the drawbacks for the Eurovan Camper pop tops is that they can be a little challenging to raise for some people, and this one's all done with a remote control, so it lifts up and down with a power button. It has a nice Fiamma F45S awning that we installed for the client last year. It's got the lift kit with the Bilstein HD shocks and the 16-inch wheels. Some really nice tires. Also has the low voltage truck fridge, or Avetta Frigio. It's the Italian version with some extra storage shelves. Some nice mats and storage pockets. This van has about 195,000 miles or so, 200,000 miles, but it just had a brand new rebuilt engine. What had happened is he had a shop, not us, do a timing chain, and they messed up his head, so they had the engine completely rebuilt under insurance. So this is a pretty nice extra to have a completely rebuilt engine with a quality German head and everything machined properly. So this is a big bonus for this van. It looks very clean overall. There's no dents or anything. The only cosmetic defect is some rock chips here in the front that could be easily taken care of through our body shop. And that's about it. Mechanically, it is dialed in. It's got all new timing chain, rebuilt engine, all the suspension components have been updated. There's no leaks. Everything functions as it should. So this would be a really great opportunity to get a Eurovan that's completely dialed in. Let me know if you have any questions. You can text or call 425-786-4879.